It's a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. This is a world-class luxury sedan. Inside, it has an intuitive layout centered around the 8-inch full-color touchscreen display. You'll also find IntelliLink, remote start, dual-zone climate control, a garage door transmitter, power front seats, and OnStar 4G LTE with Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Get comfortable with the touch of a button thanks to the memory seats. Parking sensors help keep you safe by alerting you to your surroundings. The leather seat trim offers style and durability. For those in search of a large, comfortable sedan with a dose of style and athleticism, this LaCrosse warrants a long look. Test drive it today.
At Gateway Buick GMC, we offer 16 acres of new, certified, and top-quality vehicles. Conveniently located at 820 McDonald Boulevard in St. Louis, Missouri.